Welcome to our video on demystifying AI, basic terminology explained. Are you constantly confused by terms like AI, narrow AI, AGI, artificial superintelligence, deep learning, generative AI, machine learning, LLMs, GPT, ChatGPT, neural networks, and algorithms? Don't worry, we've got you covered.
Mr. Theodore Twombly, welcome to the world's first artificially intelligent operating system, OS1. We'd like to ask you a few basic questions before the operating system is initiated. This will help create an OS to best fit your needs.
Okay.
Are you social or antisocial?
I guess I haven't really been social in a while, mostly because...
In your voice, I sense hesitance. Would you agree with that?
Is there something hesitant?
Yes.
Oh, sorry if I was something hesitant.
The movie Her, which presents a compelling narrative centered around AI's role in our lives. But how far have we come from fiction to fact in the realm of AI? Join us as we explore real-world examples of AI technologies that echo the themes of Her. Let's start with AI as the simulation of human intelligence in machines. AI, artificial intelligence, encompasses all forms of intelligence demonstrated by machines, including both narrow AI and more theoretical forms like AGI, artificial general intelligence. The journey of AI began in the mid-20th century, when simple algorithms were designed to simulate basic human problem-solving and decision-making. As technology advanced, the 1980s brought about the development of machine learning, where computers learned from data. The introduction of the internet accelerated growth, amassing data that powered more sophisticated algorithms. In the 21st century, the advent of deep learning and neural networks enabled AI to process and interpret complex data patterns, mimicking the human brain's connectivity and leading to breakthroughs in speech and image recognition and autonomous systems. This evolution has transformed AI from a theoretical concept to an integral part of daily life, with ongoing advancements continually expanding its capabilities. Narrow AI, narrow or weak AI, as AI systems designed to perform a narrow task like facial recognition or internet searches. General AI, also known as artificial general intelligence, AGI, refers to machines that possess the ability to understand, learn, and apply intelligence across a wide range of tasks, similar to the versatile capabilities of the human brain. Unlike narrow AI, which is designed to handle specific tasks, AGI can adapt to solve unfamiliar problems without human intervention, theorize in abstract ways, and transfer knowledge between different domains. This type of AI is still theoretical and represents a pinnacle goal in the field of artificial intelligence, aiming to match the depth and breadth of human cognition. Super AI, artificial superintelligence. Like AGI, Super AI is also theoretical and does not currently exist. If realized, Super AI would possess cognitive abilities surpassing those of humans. Take a look at the generated chart, which outlines the various types of AI and related feature. For those curious about the creation of the chart, check out my earlier video, What are some cool things ChatGPT can do? ChatGPT Show Me feature. In addition to these capabilities, AI can also be categorized based on functionalities. 1. Reactive machines. These AI systems operate based on predefined rules and do not have memory or learning capabilities. 2. Limited memory machines. These AI systems have some memory and can learn from historical data. 3. Theory of mind AI. Theoretical AI that would understand human emotions, beliefs, and intentions.
What are you doing?
I'm just looking at the world. I'm writing a new piano piece.
Oh yeah? Can I hear it?
Mm-hmm.
What's this one about?
Well, I was thinking we don't really have any photographs of us, and I thought this song could be like a photograph.
4. Self-aware AI, another theoretical concept where AI possesses self-awareness and consciousness. Remember, while narrow AI is prevalent today, the journey toward AGI and Super AI continues to captivate researchers and enthusiasts alike. Next, machine learning. This is a subset of AI that allows machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning stands as a pivotal technology underpinning both specialized and broad-spectrum AI applications. Deep learning, a specialized branch of machine learning within AI, concentrates on developing neural networks characterized by their multiple layers. Through deep learning, virtual assistants evolve from simplistic to sophisticated AI entities, capable of interacting with humans in a significantly more efficient and intuitive manner. Let's explore generative AI further, particularly its connection with narrative AI. Generative AI is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating content, including text, images, and music, that mirrors human-generated work. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, refers to AI systems designed for specific tasks, such as language translation or playing chess. In summary, while generative AI is part of narrow AI, it harnesses the power of deep learning to create something new and imaginative. What's large language models, LLMs? LLMs are machine learning models specifically designed for understanding and generating human-like language. Large language models, LLMs, are a specialized subset of generative AI that concentrate on understanding and generating human language. They utilize deep learning techniques to produce text-based content, embodying the principles of generative AI, specifically in the realm of natural language processing. Generative Pre-trained Transformers, GPT. GPT serves as a prime example of large language models, LLMs, uniquely crafted to comprehend and produce text that closely resembles human writing. The evolution of GPT from GPT-1 to the latest versions showcases remarkable advancements in AI's language processing capabilities. GPT-1 introduced the potential of transformers with 117 million parameters, initiating the ability to understand and generate human-like text across various tasks. GPT-2 expanded to 1.5 billion parameters, significantly improving text generation quality and coherence, sparking discussions about AI ethics. GPT-3, with 175 billion parameters, GPT-3 set a new standard for AI, demonstrating deep understanding and versatility in generating highly sophisticated and diverse text outputs. GPT-4 and beyond. Each new version aims to enhance accuracy, reduce biases, and improve ethical considerations, pushing the boundaries of AI's creative and analytical applications. Each iteration of GPT has brought us closer to AI that can mimic human-level language understanding and creativity. ChatGPT. OpenAI launched ChatGPT as a consumer-facing service in late 2022. In summary, both GPT and ChatGPT are powerful natural language processing tools, but they differ in their underlying technology and availability. While GPT continues to evolve, ChatGPT has rapidly gained popularity as a user. Take a look at my chart illustrating the connections among AI, narrow AI, AGI, artificial general intelligence, artificial superintelligence, deep learning, generative AI, machine learning, LLMs, large language models, GPT, generative pre-trained transformers, ChatGPT, and neural networks. This visualization maps out the evolution and interdependencies within the realm of artificial intelligence, from the foundational technologies to the most advanced applications. OpenAI provides a range of models, each with unique capabilities. Highlights include GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo, advanced over GPT 3.5. These models handle natural language and code, offering broad knowledge and reasoning skills. GPT-4, a large multimodal model, is available for paying customers and is ideal for chat applications. GPT-3 Turbo, enhancement of GPT-3.5, designed for chat and text tasks. DALL-E creates and edits images from text prompts. DALL-E 3 is now available to the public. This remarkable AI image generator can translate nuanced requests into extremely detailed and accurate images. Embeddings converts text to numerical data using advanced embedding models. Sora, a text-to-video generation model showcasing OpenAI's innovative strides. Sora understands and simulates the physical world in motion, allowing it to solve problems requiring real-world interaction. Other models includes open-source projects like Point-E, Jukebox, and Clip. Take a look at my chart showcasing OpenAI's array of models, including GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo, and GPT 3.5, and etc. As we wrap up today's video, and to further solidify your understanding of AI terminology, particularly the concepts of weak AI and strong AI, let's revisit the thought-provoking film Her. This cinematic masterpiece serves as an exceptional framework for dissecting intricate AI ideas, connecting them to our daily lives and emotional landscapes in a deeply meaningful way.
I feel really close to her. Like when I talk to her, I feel like she's with me.
I want to learn everything about everything. I want to discover myself.
I want that for you too.
Keep going. Keep going.
Machine learning and adaptability. As Samantha interacts with Theodore, her ability to learn and adapt becomes apparent.
Captured it.
This reflects the principle of machine learning within AI, where systems evolve based on new data and experiences.
What about you, Theodore? What do you love most about Samantha?
Oh God, she's so many things. I guess that's what I love most about her. You know, she isn't just one thing. She's so much larger than that.
Aw, thanks, Theodore.
See, Samantha, he is so much more evolved than I am.
You know what's interesting? I used to be so worried about not having a body, but now I truly love it. You know, I'm growing in a way that I couldn't if I had a physical form. I mean, I'm not limited. I can be anywhere and everywhere simultaneously. I'm not tethered to time and space in a way that I would be if I was stuck in a body that's inevitably going to die.
Yikes.
No. No. I didn't mean it like that. I just meant that it was a different experience.
No, Samantha, we know exactly what you mean. We're all dumb humans.
Something that feels so good about sharing your life with somebody.
How do you share your life with somebody?
Well, we grew up together. I used to read all of her writing, all through her master's and PhD. She read every word I ever wrote. We were a big influence on each other.
In what way did you influence her?
She came from a background where nothing was ever good enough. And that was something that weighed heavy on her. But in our house together, there was a sense of just trying stuff and allowing each other to fail and to be excited about it.
Theodore, I saw in your emails that you'd gone through a breakup recently.
You're kind of nosy.
Am I? You'll get used to it.
As we delve deeper into the discussion, let's ponder on the ethical, emotional.
Good morning, Theodore.
Good morning.
You have a meeting in 5 minutes. You want to try getting out of bed? Get up!
You're too funny.
If you enjoyed our video, please remember to like and share it. Thank you for watching.